Welcome to qnawire.
I'm going to take the hints that are provided. So first we know that A to B is 600 and that the angle at A is 20 degrees and at point B looking up to the peak is 35 degrees. Draw the perpendicular from B to AP. Call that intersection J. That would mean this has to be 70 degrees to complete the right triangle, 180 degrees. And then this would have to be 75 degrees inside this right triangle because there's 180 on the line. And so you should be familiar with SOHCAHTOA. We could do sine of 20 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse, where the opposite is BJ. Over the hypotenuse, which this would be the right angle, the hypotenuse would be 600. So the length of BJ cross multiply would be equal to 600 times the sine of 20 degrees, which is 205.2. Make sure you're in degree mode. Now we have a leg of this right triangle, and we can find BP using cosine, because from the 75 degree angle we have the adjacent and hypotenuse. So we can say the cosine of 75 degrees is equal to 205.2 over the hypotenuse, which is BP. Cross multiply, BP would equal 205.2 divided by the cosine of 75 degrees, which means BP from your calculator is 792.8. And now we have a measure in this right triangle, which we want to find PQ. From the 35 degree angle, PQ is opposite. We now know the hypotenuse, that is sine. Say the sine of 35 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is PQ, over the hypotenuse, 792.8. So cross multiply the 792.8 times the sine 35, and that is equal to about 454.7. So if this is 454.7 and it's already 6,500 up from this original line, then we just add that. So the elevation of the peak would be 6,954.7 feet high.